Hello student, welcome to the class. In the last class we have discussed about the probability problem related to the coins and the dice. Now today we like to discuss another type of problem, that is important problem, is what? The playing cards. So in that card total you are having the 52 cards. So the distribution of the cards, if you want to see, that means that's total card distribution is 52 cards. That's chart or that table we have to see. In that playing cards, if you want to see, that is total number of cards, you are having the 52 cards. Broadly it is divided into two categories. One is your black cards, another one type is your red cards. That means black card you are having 26, red you are having the 26 there. In the black also you are having the two types of card. In the plural form if we say, that is the spades and clubs. So spade then it will be 13, clubs you are having also 13. Spade means you can say like that's one, like that's it, and clubs you are having also 13 card, that is having that like this set, this type of set. And in the red also we are having two types of cards. One is the hearts and another one is the diamonds. Hearts also you are having the 13, diamond also 13. Heart red color, that is roughly, and it is just like the rhombus, like this one you are having. So all you are having the 13, 13, 13. Then each 13 will have the same, means spade 13, what type of things you are having, same thing will have the club 13 also. Just their symbol may be the difference. So in these 13 cards, what do you have? We can say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 9 cards are number cards. Number will be written there. Means in the spade, suppose any 5 is written there, means 5 spade symbols will be there. Similarly 10, if you have the 10 spade symbol will have there. And next you are having the ace 1, that is first one is known as the ace. That is the ekka tekka you are having. And so 10 cards we got. Then next you are having the king, queen and jack. These 3 cards, king, queen, jack, Sahib, Bibi, Golam. So these 3 cards, not only king, queen, jack, there you are having the faces also drawn there. That means that is having the face. That's why it is called the face cards. So you are having these 3 are known as the face cards. So in this way, like the spade, same thing you are having for the clubs, same type of things, just color may be the different, symbol may be the different one. And diamond also you are having the same thing. So in the face card, if you want to see, then total number of face card, how many it will be? Here 3 face card, club 3 face card, heart 3 face card, diamond 3 face card. So total number of face card you can say 3 into 4, 12 face card. So in this way, just suppose probability of a one card is drawn at random. So probability of getting a face card. That means number of face card divided by total number of cards. So suppose you are having simply E1 is the, we are saying the face card. That means probability of getting a face card. So number of simple face card, that means it will be 12 by 52 or simplest form 3 by 13. Force if you cancel. But if I ask you, one card is drawn, what will be the probability of getting a red face card? So red face card means face card of the hearts and face card of the diamond. That means 3, 3, 6. So 6 by 52. If we ask you find a probability of getting a face card of hearts, that it will be 3 by 52. Getting a king, total king you are having the 4. So this table you have to see. If you have the idea about this table, it will be easy for you to do that one. The probability of getting a king, the total king you are having the 4. So 4 by 52 you will have. Or probability of getting a red king, that means here hearts king, diamond kings, that is 2 by 52. That means 1 by 26, like that one you have. But probability of getting a spade of king, king of spade, so that it will be 1 by 52. So in this way, if this table with you, then you can do easily that one. Okay, just one question, sometime combine of someone it will be done also. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, means total number of cards is 52. Find the probability of what? A card of spades or an ace. So from there, if you want to see, then what it will be, a spade or ace. देखो एक total number of cards you are having the 52 cards. You have to get a spade or an ace. So first of all, total number of cards in this one, this is the question number 46 we have. So you know total number of cards, you know that is 52 cards. First of all, that is suppose the event E1, that is what, a card of spades or an ace. Or an ace. So in this way, what it will be? Spade you are having 30. Total ace you have 4. But out of this, the ace of spade already counted here. So how many are left? 3 more you are having. Or means that will be plus. So plus 3. So that will be total 16 cases you are having. So probability of getting an ace or the spade is equal to ultimately 16 by 52. Number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. If you cancel by 4, then 4 30. Similarly, second one you have a red king. That is the simple one. A red king. That is, you know, that is total number is how many? Red king, sorry. Red king. That is hearts and diamond, 2. Therefore, probability of this one you will get 2 by 52 or 1 by 26. And either a king or a queen. Either a king or a queen. That means king you are having 4 or 4. That means it will be 8. The probability of this one is equal to 8 by 52. 4 if you cancel, so 2 by 30. And last what it is having, neither a king, suppose it is E4 we are doing, neither a king nor a queen. Neither a king nor a queen. That means king and queen will not be. So total 52, out of this 4 king and 4 queen will not come. So ultimately 8 if you minus, so 44 you will get. So ultimately probability of that one you will get 44 divided by 52. So ultimately you are getting 11 by 30. So like this way we can do that one. Okay. So I hope that you will be able to complete the exercise. Complete that exercise 19. Okay. Thank you.